Meaning of ingot.
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 Ingot. An ingot is a solid block of metal or alloy that is typically rectangular in shape and is formed by pouring molten metal or alloy into a mold. The ingot is then allowed to cool and harden, after which it is ready for further processing into various industrial products, such as rods, sheets, wires, etc. Ingots are commonly used in metalworking and manufacturing industries for casting, forging, and rolling operations. Their size and weight can vary depending on the specific application, and they can be made from various metals such as steel, aluminum, copper, and zinc.